All right, so this is the very last challenge of the module. Well done for getting it this far if you're still with me. The goal of this challenge is when you load up the home page, it should have a link at the end of each truncated blog post with something that says read more. And when we click on it, then it should take us to the actual page of the blog post, including all of the content. So that means we can read each and every blog post on its own individual page just by clicking on the read more after the bit of truncated preview text. So think about what you've learned in this module and try to complete this challenge all by yourself. Good luck. I'll see you on the other side. So here's my first hint. In order for this to work, the first thing that we need is an anchor tag, right? Something that will act as a link to that particular page. Inside our paragraph, let's open it up fully so that we have one line which is going to be dedicated to our post content that's truncated. And then we also add an anchor tag. And inside this anchor tag, the text is just going to be read more. The href has to point to a URL that will take us to the specific page. See if that was enough of a hint for you to now be able to complete this challenge. Now here's my second hint. We know that inside this home.ejs, we already have access to the post.title for each and every post that's being listed over here, right? We already have access to that. And we also know that if we navigate to posts / simply just the title spelt out, day space 1, and we hit enter, because of all the code that we've got in our routing, that alone can take us to the individual page of each blog post. That's my last and final hint. See if you can now complete the challenge.